Tesla's navigation system allows you to easily reorder stops in your trip list, optimizing your route for efficiency and convenience. This video will guide you through the process of rearranging destinations on both your Tesla vehicle's touchscreen and the Tesla mobile app. This feature is especially useful for EV owners needing to incorporate supercharger stops and make on-the-fly adjustments. As of 2025, Tesla has enhanced this functionality with AI-driven suggestions and voice command integration. To begin, create a trip with multiple destinations. In your Tesla, tap the navigation icon to view your current route. On the touchscreen, you'll see a list of your destinations, displayed in the order you initially added them. This list represents your current trip itinerary. Alternatively, you can view the trip list within the Tesla app on your mobile device. Make sure your vehicle's software is updated to V12 or later to ensure full compatibility with the latest features. Reordering stops on the Tesla's touchscreen is intuitive. Simply tap the trip icon to reveal the list of destinations. Then, long press on the destination you wish to move. A visual cue will indicate that you can now drag the stop up or down the list. Release the stop at its new position. The system will automatically recalculate the route based on the new order, factoring in real-time traffic and supercharger availability. This method is best for minor adjustments and visual confirmation. The Tesla app offers a similar drag-and-drop interface for reordering stops. Start by opening the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to the Location or Navigation section to access your trip planning. View your current trip to see the list of destinations. You'll find a list of destinations that can be reordered by long pressing and dragging, just like on the car's touchscreen. To rearrange, long press a stop and drag it to a new position. Changes made in the app will automatically sync to your vehicle, ensuring your route is always up to date. This is especially useful for planning before you even get in the car. Tesla's navigation system utilizes AI to suggest optimal routes and stop orders. The system factors in real-time traffic, battery levels, supercharger locations, and even user preferences to intelligently reorder your destinations. If a route is disrupted by construction or unexpected delays, the AI will proactively suggest new stop orders to minimize travel time and energy consumption. This proactive approach makes long EV journeys more efficient and predictable. Plan your trips in advance, especially for long journeys, and consider factors like supercharger availability and charging times. Use the Tesla app to scout out locations and preset your trip. Take advantage of the AI-driven suggestions for optimized routing. Regularly update your Tesla software to benefit from the latest navigation improvements and features. Gamification features within the app can also encourage you to create more efficient routes. And keep the number of stops to a maximum of 10. If you encounter issues while reordering stops in Tesla navigation, start by ensuring your Tesla software is up to date. Outdated software can cause bugs that prevent proper reordering. Connectivity problems can also hinder changes from syncing properly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for real-time updates. Try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels until the screen goes black. This can resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your vehicle. Some early reports mention glitches in high-traffic scenarios, but software updates like V13.1 have largely resolved these issues. Remember, the system requires an active Tesla account and internet connectivity to function properly.